Stop. If you're thinking about buying AmazProfitRobot, there's something you need to know first. AmazProfitRobot, the world's first fully autonomous multi-model KDP publishing agent that researches profitable niches, writes original manuscripts, designs covers, creates audiobooks and even auto-publishes directly to Amazon's 310 million customers. No ghostwriters, no formatting nightmares, no wasted months. You enter a topic and the AI instantly finds profitable niches, creates a structured manuscript, designs a professional cover, generates audiobook narration, optimizes metadata and prepares publishing-ready files, all in one dashboard. So here's the big question: is AmazProfitRobot really the future of Amazon publishing or just another overhyped launch? In this review, I'll show you exactly what AmazProfitRobot is, how it works, who it's for, the pros and cons, and whether it's actually worth buying. Plus, if you decide to grab AmazProfitRobot through my link below this video, you'll also get my exclusive bonus package worth $599 absolutely free. What is AmazProfitRobot? It's a complete AI publishing system that handles the entire workflow from idea to Amazon-ready book package. Profitable niche research, original manuscript creation, professional cover design plus typography, human-quality audiobook narration, metadata, keywords and category optimization, translation into 80+ languages, direct Amazon auto-publishing and commercial license included. Benefits: why people are interested. One idea to full publishing package. Profitable niches. AI finds low competition opportunities. Multi-format publishing, Kindle, paperback, hardcover, audiobook. Commercial license. Sell books for clients, keep 100% profit. Lifetime access. Pay once, use forever. Inside, AmazProfitRobot you're getting? Niche research engine, outline plus manuscript generator, cover concept plus design engine, audiobook draft creator, metadata optimizer, titles, descriptions, keywords, categories, translation engine, 80+ languages, publishing-ready export files, KDP interior PDF, wrap cover, audiobook drafts, analytics dashboard, commercial license included and 30-day money-back guarantee. Honest pros and cons. Now let's talk honestly. Pros: complete publishing system, not just a text generator, beginner-friendly, no writing or design skills required, unlimited books, unlimited niches, commercial license for royalties and client work and one-time payment, lifetime access. Cons: no guaranteed income, results depend on niche and consistency and requires creativity in choosing topics and categories. Results: what to expect. Expect faster publishing, more consistent output and a growing portfolio of income-producing assets. Publish faster and scale catalogs. Agencies offer book packages to clients. AmazProfitRobot turns every idea into a permanent income asset on Amazon. Now here are my exclusive bonuses if you grab AmazProfitRobot through the link below. Bonus 1: Passive Income Blueprint, value $299, step-by-step roadmap to publish 10 profitable books in your first 30 days. Bonus 2: Audiobook Profit Expansion Guide, value $300. Learn how to turn your AI-generated books into audiobooks and unlock a new royalty stream. Total bonus value: $599, yours free when you get AmazProfitRobot through my link today. So, is AmazProfitRobot worth it? If you want to publish books without research, writing or formatting headaches, then yes, AmazProfitRobot is absolutely worth it. Click the first link in the description to secure AmazProfitRobot plus my $599 bonus package today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.